But, Ben, one thing we saw in the last bull market that we've just had, 2025, at least in my experience, what I saw, we saw a lot more movement for Bitcoin than, a lot of the altcoins, right? Bitcoin really stole the show. So, I don't think it was necessarily like that as much in 2021. We had a lot of crazy gains and madness on altcoins and the whole alt season and everything like that. It wasn't as clear or as strong in the last cycle. Do you think it will still be like a mostly Bitcoin cycle this next time, or are altcoins going to also get a whole bunch of attention?
I think Bitcoin will outperform everything else just because, the diehardness of their community, the Bitcoin maxis, we all hear some people love that element to them, some people don't, but you can't deny, them and XRP, Ripple have just the most diehard community, so those coins aren't ever going to go away. But yeah, it's a good question. So do I think memes, for example, on like Solana, Ethereum, Robinhood, the memes going to pump as much as they did in 2024, 2025, and then also in the 2021 bull run, we had a lot of gaming tokens just really pumped. That I'm not sure about. It's tough to tell. I do think the top few coins are going to achieve the same kind of appreciation levels as prior, pretty much every other bull market. It's not going to be less than that. Whether memes will, is Solana going to go up to 270, 280? I'm just not so sure. That is a tough question, but I do think that some sectors will be hot. RWA those coins could be the big ones. The pin coins could be the big ones. Could just be exchange tokens, stuff like that. Memes are always gonna have a place, always. As for which chain, when memes do become popular, I think Solana probably is going to be the leader just because we keep seeing other chains repeatedly, base chain, Robinhood chain, etc., come out with new memes, and they are hot for a few weeks, and a few of them stay popular, but none of them can achieve Solana's sort of 3-year kind of poll that they've had on memes. It's just the number one chain by far when it comes to memes. So I think Solana will continue to be the leader, but I have been impressed with Robinhood, even though a lot of memes kind of rugged in the last few weeks. A few of them, like Hashcat and the top few, they are holding pretty steady. They have a couple of utility coins on Robinhood too, like one's called Pawn or something like that. That one's got one of the best charts I've seen. Index, that's another utility coin on Robinhood Crypto, so they've been holding up. So yeah, I think Solana will be the main mover then, and then I think Robinhood chain, base chain, Ethereum chain, they will also have their own low caps that will be pumping as well.